All right. Before we get started, guys, one or two persons should just unmute yourself and let me know what you're trading. Okay. Let me know what you're trading. Are you in profit? If it is a target of $10 a day, I've already hit that target long time ago. Okay. If it is that target of $10 a day, I've already hit that target long time ago. And then Solana actually gave me that. All right. The signal I sent last night on Solana. I think I got my entry at yeah, my average entry was around 59 point something or thereabout. So when it went to $61 this morning, where's that zone of the thing? Yeah. So we did shoot up to that $61 and then we immediately dropped. Okay. 61.3 or thereabout, immediately we dropped and all of that. So yeah, that was where I took profit for Solana. And I'm still hoping, I think I've
Sir, I
already
want to talk you
can you
about BTC chart.
what?
I want to talk you about BTC chart.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
I was wondering if you can hear me because I was talking when you just came in. So I don't know if you can. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? You can hear me. Yes. What exactly do you want to talk to me about BTC chart on? What about it? What about BTC chart? Can you hear me, please?
Oh, thank you.
If you can hear me, I will appreciate if you respond. Okay. All right. So what
Uh,
I was saying is
excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Sir, here I want to learn something about BTC chart. My question is that how to find strongest support or resistance at time frame, one day, 1 week.
you want to find support on BTC on the 1 week time frame. Is that what you're saying? Is that what your question is? Is that what your question is, please? Nah. Can anyone else hear me? Because I don't think this guy, Muhammad, are you hearing me or what exactly is the stop? I need to get you clearly, okay? I need to get you clearly. Now, if you're looking at BTC anyway, let's quickly do that before I go into other charts, okay? Let's quickly do the BTC stuff, all right? If you're looking at BTC, right, I'm looking at, BTC, after we hit that $69,000 level, we just, from there, immediately we came back down to 50,000, right? And now we are recovering, okay? We are recovering. So if you're looking at possible areas where BTC could actually be rejecting and all of that, okay? Just use the Fibonacci retracement. So you pull it from up there, okay, from the highest down to the lowest. I think we got down to that $15,000 area and all of that, okay? So if you look at BTC right now, in fact, since this year, January this year, right? Yeah, you see this month, January this year, BTC has been very, very bullish, okay? BTC has been very, very bullish. So if you're looking at support or resistance area on BTC, what I basically will do right here is pick my horizontal line, okay? This area here is an area of interest that you want to pay attention to, okay? This is our support level, all right? Now, looking at currently we are just within that 382 level, right? We've been rejecting up and down around this 382 level on BTC, okay? The next level that BTC will probably be rejecting from is around that $42 level, okay? Which is around the 50% area. Okay, so you can equally pick your horizontal tool and mark that area there, all right? and mark that area. And currently, the area we are currently seated is this 382 level. Okay, so we can equally mark that area there, the 382 level. So if BTC comes there and reject, possibly we use the 382 level as a support, all right, which is around that $36,000 level, and then maybe bounce up and continue that movement. All right. Another area we'll possibly be looking at in case BTC breaks out of this spot. In case BTC breaks out of this $42,000 level, will be around that 618 level. Okay. You see that rejection there. Okay. You see the rejection here up there. Okay. The 618 level will be another area that you possibly be looking at. So these are different zones.
Excuse me, sir. You are drawing green lines. So we can say all these green lines are supports and resistance at the same time.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Muhammad?
Are you listening me?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me from your end? Can you hear me, please?
You replied my question that through Fibonacci levels. In addition to this way, is there any other way through that we can find strongest support and resistance on the chart of BTC daily, weekly time frame?
Have you finished? Have you finished? Okay, I think I know what to do. If you want to speak, okay, you raise up your hand or use the chat section. Then once you raise up your hand, I will allow you to unmute yourself and speak. Okay, if you want to speak, raise up your hand. Once you raise up your hand, if I notice it, I will now unmute you, okay, and allow you to speak. That's basically because I don't know this guy. Is it that you guys cannot hear me or what exactly? Can anyone else hear me? Please, if you can hear me, just indicate by raising your hand. If you can hear me, can you guys hear me, please? Can you hear me? Yes, Naomi, please go ahead.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so what's wrong with Muhammad? I keep talking, he keep jumping into, just cutting me off, and then when I ask, are you hearing me? He just goes quiet and all of it. I was actually explaining what you wanted me to do, right? I'm trying to spot out the support and resistance area, and I'm telling you the easiest way you would have done that, if you are looking at the higher time frame, the easiest way you would have done that is use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, if you don't want to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, spotting support and resistance areas on the chart are very easy. All right. Okay. Now, when we talk about support and resistance area, that's why I have to put off all my indicators and all of that so that these things don't come automatically. Okay. The indicators do that automatically for you. It's very easy. All right. Those areas where market or where price has rejected from initially. Okay. That is basically the concept of support and resistance. Okay. We are looking at past price event to judge what will happen in the future. So we'll look at the left, what has happened, okay, in the past, and then we use it to judge what will happen in the future. All right. So if you are looking at support and resistance area right now, okay, BTC is currently sitting at a resistance of that $38,000 level. Why? Because when we started descending from here, if you look at, okay, on the week, I'm doing this on the weekly time frame, when BTC started falling from here, okay, where is that area where BTC actually had a rejection from? Okay, before it continues to go down, it was around this area, as you can see here. Okay, so we rejected around this area, went back up before we finally broke that area. So you want to take advantage, or you want to take note of this area. That definitely BTC coming up back, okay, it will definitely react to that area, which is exactly what BTC is doing right now. Okay, now the area where we are currently on the weekly time frame, I can equally go ahead and map this area here as my area. This area here is going to serve as my support if BTC start falling from this zone we are looking at it currently. Why? Because here we came, okay, we didn't just descend, you have that massive wick, okay, respecting this previous level here, right? So we can equally drag this to the left there, okay, respecting this level where we actually came rejected from before we finally broke. So when we started coming back down, we respected that level, right? Now, when BTC started resurrecting or started pushing back up, what happened? We had that resistance there, all right? We had that resistance there. So BTC reacted here for a while, rejected here, rejected again, before eventually we broke that area. So now this previous resistance will now serve as a support if BTC start descending from this area we are currently looking at it right here, okay? So if BTC starts falling from here, we are going to be, looking at this area. This is on the weekly time frame, because if we go to the daily time frame, definitely you see support and resistance area in between this open space here, right? Then if eventually BTC breaks in this area, okay, and start coming down, what is the next area we are looking at again? Okay, we want to equally pay attention to this zone here, right? So here, you see, it was previously a resistance, it became a support, okay, it became a support, then we broke out, right? So you want to equally pay attention to this area here. And if it continues to drop, another area you should be looking at is this area of 21,000, okay? And then you can get down to that area of, $16,000 or $15,000 level, all right? So these are, a spotting support and resistance area on the charts are not difficult, all right? If you are going to find it difficult spotting support and resistance, maybe if I want to mark out this area, for instance, okay, where should I use this example right now? Not here. On the weeklies, it's actually very easy to spot out those support and resistance area, right? So these are my areas that I'm looking at on the weekly time frame. Now, if you want to go down to the daily time frame, all right, you go down to the daily time frame, we are still respecting those areas. So on the daily time frame, we can, come into the chart itself and spot out, those areas of support and resistance as well. All right, we can equally pay attention to this area here on the daily time frame. Okay, this area here. All right, what happened? We came back, okay, push up, we rejected there. So here was the resistance, okay. Finally, we broke that, and then we used it as a support. Immediately, we broke below it. We then used it as a resistance, all right? So we came back again, used that area as a resistance, and then we eventually broke out of it and started going back up. So I can extend this to the right, and you see those reacting there, okay? So on the daily time frame, I can equally come in here and pay attention to this area here too, all right? I can pay attention to this area here to be my support in case BTC start descending from here. And let's come in here, okay? Yeah, so even if I have to judge that based on what is happening here, remember BTC has been consolidating here for a while, right? BTC has been consolidating here for a while. Aside mapping out these areas with the horizontal tool and all of that, all right? This area that BTC has been consolidating, we can equally use trend line, okay, to determine our support and resistance level by just coming here, bring our trend line from this area and draw it down there. All right. So for as long as BTC continues to trade up here, all right, for as long as BTC continues to bounce at this trend line and continue to go up, we are still at that resistance or that support area, all right? When we break below this support, then the next area we are going to face will be this area, which we mark out from the weekly time frame and all of that, right? So anything that will make BTC to break, even if I go to like maybe the 8 hours time frame, all right, you'll see that clearly that BTC has been bouncing off this trend line, okay, and pushing back up. It comes, bounce there, push back, on, bounce there. So for now, the trend line, okay, in this area of consolidation that BTC has been consolidating for a while here, is our support, okay, and resistance area, all right, is our support. So we look at that area there as resistance, then we look at this other trend line there as our support area. Okay, so that's basically currently the zone, the area I'm playing around with is this area. I'm not even looking at all of this area. But if BTC do breaks this area here, okay, if we finally break it below this area, then I can short BTC, and then my next target will be maybe we're coming to take care of this imbalance here and all of that. Okay, maybe my next target will be around that $31,000 and all of that. But for now, play this zone that BTC is currently playing, right? BTC comes back down here, you take it and all of that. You can equally go ahead and still plot more trend lines, okay? You can plot more trend lines and all of that to go to the upside. So if you break this, then the next target will be this area. If we break below this area, then the next target will be, going down to as low as $33, $32, $31,000 level. All right. So spotting support and resistance areas on the charts are not difficult. Okay. If it becomes difficult for you, then you can use the you can align indicator to help you spot out those support and resistance areas. Okay. And another thing you can do is use the moving average. Okay. Use the moving average to support your, so if I put up all of this, okay, go ahead and check this on, okay. You can equally use the moving average to back up, whatever you are looking at, okay. So if I go to that BTC that you're talking about, BTC USDT, all right. So what you will see clearly here, okay, whenever this candlestick breaks above the 200, okay, it will now be using it as a support, all right? And then when it is trading below, what happens, it uses this as a resistance, okay? So it will always come, bounce, and reject from there, or use the 50 moving average, bounce, reject from there, and all of that. Then when it breaks above, it becomes a support, okay, and all of that. And then when it breaks below, it becomes a resistance. When we break above, it becomes a support. As you can see, we went up there, came back, bounced at that 200, and then we finally started firing up and all of that. Okay, that is basically how easy it is to spot our support and resistance on BTC. And I was trying to give you a bigger picture of what you should be expecting using the Fibonacci retracement tool. But it seems as if maybe you were not hearing me, or I was saying my own and you're saying my own. But I hope you understood everything I've explained there, Mohammed. If you understood that, fine. If there is any question as regards this, just indicate by raising your hand, and then I can go ahead and address that. All right. So, yeah, Lufta is spreading love. Okay, 26 USDT Tron wallets. Seed phrase. Jesus, this one is a scammer. Don't mind this person, okay? Don't mind this person on the comment section. These are scammers, all right? Scammers. Okay, that's the reason why I didn't want to go. I don't know what's happening since yesterday. Actually, my internet connections are terrible. Okay, I don't know what's happening since yesterday, but the internet connection over here is something. Okay, something else. So I just got disconnected and then I'm back. So what was I saying? Support and resistance, right? I don't know. Are we done with this support and resistance thing? Any other person has a question regarding this? Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Muhammad, do you understand? These things that I just mentioned now, how to spot out the support and resistance area, okay? You can use your horizontal tool to draw your support and resistance, okay? You can use your, what's it called? Okay, if I come to the trend line tools here, you can use your horizontal line, okay, to spot out those support and resistance thing. Okay, you can use this one I use there, which is the rectangular tool, okay, to draw those things. You can use trend line as well. You can use moving averages to spot out support and resistance. Okay, so it all depends on what you particularly want to see and all of that. All right, which is why I wanted to know that we are actually hearing each other before we continue. I'm shorting BTC at 5 minutes time frame. Okay, okay. Okay, let's say 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes for BTC. Yeah, BTC has been, doing, anything around that 38. Okay. So for me to short BTC, okay, if I should join you to short BTC, I will need to wait, okay, for BTC to push back up before I short. Okay, because what's the risk reward ratio shorting here? Okay, are you targeting this area here and all of that? And then if you are doing that, please pay attention to this. This is 5 minutes, right? Pay attention to this area here. Because BTC has been using here on the 5 minutes. This has been our support. We came bounce, okay? We are bouncing off that way again and all of that. So if I need to short BTC, I will need BTC to shoot up, okay, before shorting. And then if it comes down to this area of 37,000, okay, and thereabout, I'm going to be looking for more of long. Instead of shorting from here, I should be looking for long anyways. Okay. On the 15 minutes time frame, I don't know because we've been rejecting at this area here. All right. Yeah. BTC has been using this area here strongly. Okay. And stuff like that. So until we break below this level of 37,500, I should be looking for long. All right. When we break below this level, then I can, start shorting down to that trend line there. But for as long as we keep rejecting that area, I'm not shorting BTC. Yeah. But you can short. Okay. I'm just telling you what I should do as regards BTC. All right. So that's basically my own view on that BTC of it. Guys, give me a moment, okay? I'm expecting a delivery. Yeah, let me know what you're looking at. Okay, who want to speak? Just unmute yourself. Okay, I wanted us to go through. I told us that Solana has already given me, if it is a $10 of a thing we're looking at. Okay, Solana alone gave me that money this morning. TRB is equal to another token I'm looking at scalping. I actually scalped TRB, and then the trade I sent to you, it has not moved, though it did went up to that 70. 79 and then came back again. Let's look at TRB. Let me go to TRB USDT. Okay, internet connection as always. Seriously, I don't know what is wrong, but my connections today are not really good, seriously. Okay, so for those of you who missed the TRB entry, TRB is coming back to the entry. All right, you can retake your entries at that 77 or thereabout and all of that. I don't know. Let's see if that holds. What are you guys looking at? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, somebody should keep us busy while I attend to this package that I'm expecting. Okay, I don't know why this thing all of a sudden decided to talk, but TRB is good for spot buy now, right? It's good for spot buy. If we dump more, okay, if it draws more, I'll buy more. If it draws more, we'll buy more. All right. Yeah. So TRB, I'm looking for a quick long here. Okay, if you are not in this trade already, I think it's time to enter a long trade, right? So let's do this. Take a long, target that area there, and then put your stop loss just slightly below that area. All right. So if you did not enter this trade, let me. Okay, let me allow everybody to speak. That's that I got distracted and all of that. So yeah, guys, you can unmute yourself, okay? You can unmute yourself. Naomi Alpha, what are you trading today? Do you mind sharing what are you currently trading? What have you traded already? Yeah, I think I have few trade. ACA is running, profit and all of that. Um, Solana is not. Solana is not running in any profit yet. Yeah, but I'm looking at playing this area here, guys. So Solana, you can go long too. All right, you can go long on Solana too. Now, are you here with me? What are you trading? Chocolate, right? Chocolate. Henry Alpha, what are you guys trading this morning? Yeah, Mr. Sanity, Sanity, right? Said he's trading A plus C.
Morning, sorry.
Yeah, how's it going? What are you trading this morning?
I was busy with something. Just hold on, ne? Let me open my trading. If there's something I'm busy with that just disturbed me, so I don't have my charts. Let me check. Why is everything minimized? Something is happening with my laptop. Everything's just hiding. It just minimized all my charts. But I was looking at Phantom, FCM. So let me open.
FT. Yeah, I'm long on Sol, I'm TRB. I don't know. But this is what I'm looking at on TRB. If that would play out, okay, for those who want to take the trade.
TRB, are you looking? Sorry, I can't have two screens today because I'm on load shedding, so the other one is off. I can't see your screen, eh?
Go ahead, go ahead. When we finish with yours, we can come back to mine. Go ahead. So you say you're
So
looking at
are you saying
Altcoin.
which one are you looking at? TRB?
FTM.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I was looking at.
So what are you looking at for long or short?
Okay, 15 minutes is I'm looking for long. Yeah, I'm looking for long. Let me see 30 minutes. Yeah, same as 30 minutes. Same as 30 minutes. Because the short, it passed me. Now it's the long. And all my combos haven't played out. Not all of them have played out, only two. It's the lagging span is lagging as usual.
Okay.
It's the one I'm waiting for. And that's on the 15 minutes chart. Remember, for me, I scalp, so I have to wait until the lagging span does the confirmation. Then we get to chow on that one long candle when it just sprinkles outside of the cloud. That's the one I'm waiting for.
Okay.
You know what? Yesterday I entered Solana, but that trade is still running. I haven't closed the trade.
Okay.
So
What was the entry price?
my entry price for Solana was 58.2.
You actually entered very, very late. So, will I say early or late? Which one is the right one? Yeah, because my entry for Solana was around 59. Though my first entry was around $60. And then another entry around 59.2, 59, and then my average price entry was around 59.0 something. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, when this guy, when Mohammed said he wanted to check BTC, I entered immediately. When he said we must check, he wanted to check BTC chart. When I hardly trade BTC, Shem, to be honest. So when he asked you to check BTC, I entered on the market price.
Long or short?
But it was long.
Yeah, long is
Long,
good for
long.
BTC.
Yeah, it was long.
Mm.
So I'm just gonna wait for it to play. Let me see BTC chart. I don't
Yeah,
like trading BTC.
yeah, you can look at that 38. Yeah, look at that 38,000, 38,100 level for BTC. That's basically
Yeah.
what you should be playing at on BTC. Okay, yeah, I do have a lot of, a lot of tokens you guys want me to look at. Okay, so let's go trade one after the other. Yeah, TRB, if you're longing fine, you can do that entry now. Solana 2, you can do that entry now. And let me start with some of these tokens. Okay, leverage stream wants to look at. I think that token is one of those tokens that are pumping, right? IOTA. USDT. Yeah, I saw this morning as one of those tokens.
Yeah. Give me 5 minutes, ne? I'm just busy with something. 5 minutes.
All right,
I'm just
all right. Take your time. Take your time.
okay,
Yeah.
sure.
So since yesterday, this token has been, pumping and pumping and all of that. So yeah. Yeah. So this token, guys. All right. So what we basically do now, this breakout is what we want to see a trend continuation. Okay. So I can just take my Fibonacci. Let's do this recent move here. All right. To that up there. So 382, we are currently at that 382 level. So if you are looking at this, yeah, we'll just see that we are just slightly below that 382 level. We came towards the 50% level. Okay, but the golden level is what I'm looking at, right? So that golden level area is what I'm looking at. If we do come down there to that area, that's where I want to actually start taking a trade to the upside. All right. But currently we are expecting the 50 moving average. So we came bounce there and then we are up. So if you're looking at this right now, you can do a quick scalp to the upside. All right. You can do a quick scalp to the upside, but I am looking at buying down there at the support area here. Okay. This is where I'm looking at buying anything between this 0.20, okay, between 21 cent to 20 cent. All right, that is why we're looking at buying, but you can do a quick scalp from this current price, okay, maybe targeting that level of 25 cent. All right, you can do, yeah, if you have entered with market order, you should already be in profit on this, okay. If you enter with market order on this, you should already be in profit. Target that area, sorry, target that area of 25, 26 cents, okay? 25, 26 cents will be your area of interest that you should be targeting for this, okay? All right? Yeah, so that's basically what, okay? All right, so for leverage stream, that's what I'm looking at for this. And then the next token there will be ACH. ACH, I'm currently on ACH. I don't know, what are you looking at? ACH, USDT. Essential, right? Essential mark. What are you looking at for ACH? Oh, look at that massive tone, guys. What are you looking at for ACH? Okay, I'm still holding for long. Yeah, we had this smash or TP. For those of you who took the trade, I think I sent this thing in the morning, right? I sent this thing in the morning. So if you took the trade, we actually had ACH went up to smash, where did they go to? Yeah, smash TP, I think TP1 or TP2 or thereabout. Okay, it should be around TP3 or TP4. I think, yeah, TP3 or thereabout. I can close to TP3 and then it started dumping back. Okay, close to TP3 and it started dumping back. So right now for ACH, let's see. Um, okay, sorry guys. Let me get this call. Okay. All right. Sorry guys. Sorry, I had to. Can you guys hear me? Can anyone hear me, please? Can anyone hear me? Can I get a yes if anyone can hear me?
Can hear you.
All right, thank you so much. So for who asked about ACH? So ACH actually smashed almost the TP3, okay, from the signal I sent this morning. All right. So when I had this massive rejection and all of that, so yeah, I'll just close that trade and then we enter again. Okay, I don't know how far this will go, but I'll just close the trade. I will enter again. I'm still in profit. Actually, I'm still up by a certain percentage. So yeah, I'll close the trade. I didn't even notice that it has gone this far. Now, this will bring me to how you play those signals, okay? When you play those signals, because for instance, one of those signals, what is the name? Is it SQ? Is it SQL or so? I can't remember one of those signals that went to hit TP1, okay? I was actually looking at the chart when it hit TP1, but what I failed to do is to close my, maybe move my stop loss or close part of my position. And then the trade still came back and went against me. All right. Anybody who took that trade would have suffered the same thing. So it still came back and went against me and all of that. TRB is not going very well, actually. TRB is not going very well. I will check that, but let me finish with this, okay? So when you get TP1, TP2, at times, once TP1 gives you up to 10% or thereabout, just close your trade, guys, okay? That is if you want to. Or you wait for TP2 and then move your stop loss to TP1 and all of that. Okay, be managing your trade, because if you continue to wait for TP6 or TP7 or TP8 to hit, you will something like this will happen, right? Where the market goes up there and then eventually start coming back down to, to your entry, and then in most cases to hit your stop loss and all of that. Okay, but I'm still going to retake this trade. All right, I'm still going to retake this trade for as long as this level here holds. Okay, for as long as this level here holds, I'm still going to take this trade. All right, so if I bring my Fibonacci retracement to, let's see, from the 15 minutes, and then we take it up there. Okay, so currently we are sitting there, but I'll see if we come back down. Okay, so there's every probability that we could reject from here. All right, there's every possibility that we could reject from here, but I want to wait if we come back down to that area. That's the area I'll be taking a trade back to the upside. Okay, yeah, if we can come below 20 cents, this maybe 0.019 and all of that, I'll be entering a trade to the upside. Okay, if we come below, I'll be re-entering a trade to the upside. All right, for TRB, after shooting up and giving me hope that it was actually going up, he decided to dump and all of that. So it's not going well right now at the moment, but I'm still holding on to this, right? I'm still holding on to this for the TRB trade. I'm still holding on very strong and all of that. Let's see how it goes. If it hits stop loss here, then I can look at buying back at around that $70, $75 level, okay? I'll look at buying back at that $75 level if this actually hits stop loss from here. All right, that's for TRB. And then the next token there, which other token again do you guys want me to look at? I thought I saw token on the charts. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Chocolin is actually CHR. Edu is trading CHR. Chocolin is USTC. So let's see. CHR USDT. Let's see if we can join you guys. If we can join you guys. Okay. CHR currently on the 1 hour time frame, we are sitting at the resistance, as you can see. All right, we are sitting at the resistance. So the way I want to play, see, I don't know whether you're long or short. Okay, I don't know whether you're long or short, but the way I want to play CHR is, okay, yeah, you should be good. Okay, if you want to join the short, okay, so I'll bring my trend line there. All right. So if you want to be more, play more safe and all of that, wait for a breakout of that trend line, right? Wait for a break of that trend line, and that could be but shorting right here because we are sitting at a resistance, okay? You could target this next support level there. All right. So if you want to join, let me just sacrifice $10 on this and see. Yeah, let me sacrifice $10 and join you in shorting this because already we are at that resistance level. So yeah. But if you want to play more safe, okay, if you are watching this token right now, you want to wait for a break of this trend line and maybe a possible retest and all of that before you go ahead and enter a short trade. Okay. Yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at for this. So I'm looking at entering at that one. I'm looking around that 0.139, okay, 139, or even 0. Yeah, if you get 0.14, around 14 cents, okay, it can still be a good entry, okay. If you get 0.14, you can still get, good entry to make some profit. All right. If you get 0.14, you can still get, it means that you can still get this stuff to make some profit for yourself and all of that. All right. So yeah, short market order CHR. Let's see if we can get 10% on that. All right, let's see how that goes. Then the next token should be UST CUSDT. Too many trades today, actually. Too many trades. But the beauty is that for all of the ones that I've closed, okay, I either close them at take profit, or almost at break even, right? Take profit or almost at break even and all of that. All right, guys, you see one thing with patience, right? This is one thing with patience. You see that trade we took yesterday. If we have been patient enough, that would have hit our full TP, right? Yeah, but we closed, I think I closed mine at 45% and all of that. I don't know those who joined, what you closed yours at and all of that, okay? I closed mine at 45% and the rest, so yeah. So right now, if I take, should I take it from here? Let's see, from here up there. Yeah, 382 was respected too. Okay, we came bounce at that 382 and then back up. So, Chocoline, I don't know what you're looking at on this particular token, but I think it's more of long trades for me. Sorry, did I remove the feed level? Yeah, it's more of long for me, okay? It's more of long for me. This rejection at that 382 would have been nice, right? That rejection at that 382 would have been nice. How I wish we can get the 382 again. Okay, how I wish we can get that 382 again. That would have been a good trade. If you are not in this trade already, then pay attention to what is happening right here. Let me see, 15 minutes. Yeah, that 382 would be good, okay? That 382 would be good for me to continue to take a trade to the upside. Okay, break even. Break even is when you close a trade at the entering price. All right. When you close a trade at the entering price, that is what break even is. You are breaking even. You did not lose. You did not make profit. That's what break even is. All right. So I go to bybit to set a short trade, or let's say I want to long this trade. Okay, I'm looking at entering a long trade from here. Let's do long from here. And I'm targeting that level, for instance, up there. All right. And I want my stop loss in this trade to be somewhere around there. Okay. So this is what happens. This is the price at which I'm going to enter for long, 0.5160, right? That is the price I'm entering as long trade. My stop loss will be 0.4890. and then my TP will be 0.60. Okay, that's what I'm targeting and all of that. Now, if this market, for instance, let's assume that it already triggered, right? And then the price is currently trading at 5.4. Remember, we entered at 5.160, and the current price is around 5.4 right now. So what we can do is we go remove this stop loss. Okay, instead of putting our stop loss at 0.048590, we'll now put our stop loss to be 0.5160, which is our entry. So what that simply means is that even if you go away and eventually this market decides to come back and hit your stop loss, you are not losing, okay, neither are you making any profit. That is what break even is all about. That is what break even is all about. All right. Then if you move maybe to, let's say your TP1 is somewhere around 5.3 and it comes and hit that TP. Okay, if that TP1 is 10%, 20%, whatever it is, that is the profit you are going home with. All right. Chocoline, I don't know if you understand that. Is that clear? Do you understand the concept of break even? Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear, Thank you.
All right. Okay. So what else again are we looking at? Yeah, I'm going to look for long, but not immediately. Okay, not immediately. If we can do like maybe another leg down and all of that, that could be. So if you are not in this trade already, there's no need to jump right into it. If we do another leg down, okay, that could be a good trade that we can take. Yeah, look at that, guys. We've been respecting, that trend line nicely. So we rejected the game bounce of all of that. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Anyway, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. If that will favor us. I wanted to look at. Let me open TRB on a new tab because the way the trade is going right now is not what I expected to do. Okay. I need that stuff to reject. Though we have a support at that $76 level. Yeah. Solana, if you entered Solana, currently you should be, I don't know, depending on where you entered, okay, you should be in profit at the moment. AVAX is still going, okay, for those of you who are still holding on to AVAX, you can move stop loss, okay, to somewhere around 20.4, depending on where your entry is, okay. AVAX is still going. Solana, I don't know where you entered Solana, but you should be in green right now. Okay, so should be in the green right now. Yeah, look at that, guys. Okay, so we're looking at 59.8 or thereabout. So if you do got that 59.8, okay, let's target that level of $60. Let's target that level of 60. No, not $60, 60.7, okay. 60.7. Let's target even up to that $61 level. Okay, for Solana, you can target up to that $61 level, all right? Target up to that $61 level for Solana. All right. So you should be up by over 5-10% move right now, depending on the leverage that you are using. Okay. Depending on the leverage you are using, you should be up by a certain percentage already on Solana. All right. Thank you. Okay, so Solana is running profit except for TRB that is still doing his own village thing. TRB is doing his village thing, and which other token again? Let's see another quick token that will give us quick money right now. Quick token that will give us quick money. Which other token again should we look at, guys? All right. Did I mention that bybit has started another launch pad, right? Did I mention that bybit started another launch pad? So, guys, yeah, definitely. Bybit has started another launch pad. So Snapshot is starting this afternoon. I think 11:30 UTC is what? Can somebody do the calculation for me, the conversion for me? 11 UTC. Okay, convert it to my own time zone is what? GMT plus one, right? Yeah, GMT plus one is one time zone. Those of you in this part of the world. 11 UTC should be around 12 or thereabout, I can't really say. So the snapshot is starting already. All you just need to do is either have USDT in your wallet. So it's either you have USDT in your wallet or you have what's it called? The MNT token, okay, in your wallet. You should be able to participate in that. You should be able to participate in the ongoing launch pad, okay, for that particular token. There are a lot of hypes about that token. Okay, so participate in the launch pad, and I bet you that you will never regret it. Okay, participate in the launch pad, and I bet you will never regret it. What else? There is this token I wanted to look at, DYDX, yes. DYDX, right? DYDX. Yeah, look at that, guys. Where did I close this trade yesterday? So close it somewhere around here, right? And then eventually went up that way. Okay. So yesterday, I think we closed DYDS around there, and then it finally dropped this way. So I told us that this setup was still valid. I don't know how many of us took the trade that yesterday. So if you had a limit order, that actually triggered, depending on where you close your trade. So it triggered, went up there, came back, went in, and all of that. So I closed my trade somewhere around there. I can't really remember, I think around 3.3 or thereabout. Okay, so we are just playing this range right now. Okay, DYDS is playing this range right now. So I'll still have another limit order here, right? I'll still play this until finally we'll break out and start going up, right? I'll still play that $3.1 level again for DYDX and see if it will trigger again, okay? If it will trigger again and all of that. So I'll still play that range, and let's see what happens by tomorrow on DYDX. Okay, let's see what happens tomorrow on DYDX. So let me quickly set that limit order before we proceed. All right, so okay, I sent this trade yesterday, though there was a mistake, okay? There was a mistake, but I don't know if somebody actually took the trade anyways. Right? There was a mistake in the what I sent. I carried another typing that I was doing to mix it up and all of that. So there was a mistake, but look at that, guys. If you do two long trade, okay, this would have been massive, right? If you were smart enough to look at the chart, guys, look at that breakout. Oh, this would have been massive. All right, if you took long trade, that would have been massive. And right now we are falling back up down there. So be looking for more of long. Maybe around 27, we can take another long trade, okay? Around this support area, we want to see that support hold. Okay, we want to see that support area there hold. All right, this area of 27, okay, 0.278. All right, if you get it down there at 0.278, be taking a trade to the upside. 0.278, be taking a trade to the upside for ID. Okay. Which other token again, guys? Yeah, because of the launch pad, okay, because of the launch pad, this token is MNT USDT. Because of the launch pad, this token is pumping because a lot of persons will be buying this, okay? A lot of persons will be buying this towards the launch pad. But what I'm going to do is to look for areas to short this token. That's just the truth. Yeah, it's newly listed, but I'll look for areas to short this token, guys. Okay. So the snapshots, the subscription for the launchpad will start from tomorrow. Okay, I think it's 2 days or 3 days from now. So I'll be looking for shorting opportunity for this token, but not at this moment, right? Not at the moment. Yeah, shorting now could equally do, okay? Shorting now could equally go well. MNT, I'm going to short this. Maybe I'll do cross margin and hold it for long. I will short MNT, guys, okay? I'll look for areas to short, but let's see, candle closes in 1 hour plus. Let's see how this candle closes. All right. Let's see how the 4 hours candle closes. Yeah. We have 1 hour plus for that candle to close. Let's see how it closes, okay? But a short trade for MMT will good for the token. Yeah, into goods. Even if I don't short today, immediately after the subscription, I know a lot of persons will start selling their token, the token that they have bought because of the launch pad. All right, the launch pad is what, for that fire. What's the name again? Let me share that with you. Can somebody help me out? Okay, 11:30 UTC is what time to my own time frame? Can anyone help somebody? 12:30, right? Yeah, so the snapshot for this will start by 12:30. Let me just share the screen with you guys so that you go ahead and take a look. Now, for those of you who don't know already, Launchpad are ways you can get, this token. I don't know how to pronounce this. Is this fire or 5 year or whatever the name of this token is, okay? This is the token that bybit is currently doing the Launchpad for. And then in few minutes from now or thereabout, okay, we'll go into the subscription phase. And there are basically 2 ways you can participate in the Launchpad, right? If you are going to participate in the this Launchpad, okay, to get this token at a cheap rate before it is listed for trading, before every other person gets access to it. Okay, if you want to get it with the MNT token, okay, sorry, that's my lamp. So if you want to get it with this token, the price at which you'll be getting it at is 0.06 MNT, okay, 0.06 MNT. That's what it's going to cost you, all right? Then if it is with USD, okay, it is, I think it's almost the same. Yeah, this is in USDT actually. This is in USD. So whatever that is worth in this, that is what you participate in, okay? So you'll be getting this token at 0.06. Now, remember the last one that they did, okay, the last launch pad they did like last week, okay, we got it at lower than this, and then that token traded at 40 cents. Okay, now if you are lucky, okay, the number of tokens that you get for, if you are going to subscribe with MNT token, okay, the highest you can get is 5,000 of this token, right? The last one we did traded at 40 cents. Just imagine that you get 5,000 of this token, all right, and you buy it at this price, and then eventually it goes to 40 cents and you sell. That is what you stand to benefit when you join Launchpad, okay? So, but the more the MMT token you have, the more you start to gain this, all right? Because this will be calculated based, the minimum you need to participate is 50 MMT, which should be around maybe at $25 because MMT is currently trading at 54 cents. Okay, the minimum you need is 50 cents, $50, 50 MMT token to participate. And then if you're going to use USDT, the minimum you need is 100 USDT. But the more USDT you have on the wallet, okay, the more you start to gain, all right? And for this, okay, if you get one ticket, okay, if you get one ticket, you will get up to 170 of this token, all right? One ticket will give 170 of this token. Now, if you now get 2 tickets, 3 tickets, 4 tickets, 5 tickets, all right? Now, all those tickets will be based on the amount of USDT that you are holding on your account after the snapshot has taken place, all right? So the snapshot is taking place in the next 30 to 35 minutes or thereabout. So when that happens, you will see, they will tell you the number of MNT token you have on your account, the number of USDT you have on your account, and all of that. Then the subscription itself needs to will start on the 5th of December, all right, around 3:30 UTC. That's when the subscription will start. When the subscription starts, I will send a notice. You will need to come to the Launchpad page, okay, and click on subscribe. Then this button that says buy will turn to subscribe. Okay, you either click on subscribe using the MNT token or you click on subscribe using your USDT. It all depends on what you cannot do the two at the same time. Either you do USDT or you do the MMT token. Okay, if you want to learn more on the rules and regulations, okay, you can get all of this information here. For instance, the snapshot period. So to qualify for the lottery ticket, your daily average holding of the committed token, okay, if you want to do with the MMT or you want to do with USDT, all right, during the snapshot period must meet or exceed the minimum threshold amount. What is the minimum for USDT? $100. What is the minimum for the MMT token? 50 tokens, all right? So you must have either this exact or above this for you to be able to participate, all right? For you to be able to participate. If you don't have this exact and then the snapshot finishes, okay, you will not be able to subscribe for it. All right. The subscription, the distribution, the allocation, and the listing for trading will be done the same day. All right. We're going to equally trade that together. Whatever number of tokens you get, you'll be able to sell that for cash for yourself. All right. So you can read more rules that bybit is actually stating here. All right. The distribution period and all of that. Okay, you can go join this platform, join their Telegram. I see a lot of hypes around the token, okay, on their Telegram platform and all of that. All right, if you want to know more about this, okay, they'll tell you the fire chain. I'm going to look for how to pronounce this. Okay, the fire chain is an EVM compatible platform dedicated to sustainability. Okay, so it centers its efforts on fostering a for-benefit ecosystem aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so its objective is to construct a computing platform that actively encourages the support initiative aimed at realizing the, what's it called again? The Sustainable Development Goals for the UN. All right, so yeah, you can go ahead, read more about this, all right? The total allocation of the token, you will see there, okay, initial supply will be 3% of the total token supply. Okay, price, all right, at the Launchpad, okay, this is the price at the Launchpad. Once it's listed for trading, definitely to trade above this, all right? I've done Launchpad that traded at almost $10 and we bought it less. I think that the highest I got was almost $20 actually. The token traded at almost $20 and then we got it less than $1. All right. So that's why I always pay attention to Launchpad, because though it doesn't come like that, but there are tokens that you will see like that once it's listed for trading, it will just fly. Okay. If you are lucky enough to sell within that time, all right, definitely it will fly and top. So if you are lucky enough to sell, you can make a lot of money, almost like free money. Okay. That's one thing I love about Launchpad. That's why I keep pushing Launchpad. All right. So guys, do this, and I bet you will never regret it. Okay, do this, and I bet you never regret it. If you are using the Bybit app, on your home page, click on more. Just scroll down. Okay, you'll see somewhere it say Launchpad. Click on it, and it takes you to this page. Just click on Join. Okay, and it takes you to this page and all of that. So once again, just to remind you, the snapshot is going on. Okay, we'll start in a few minutes from now. And then the subscription, you will need to come to the page here and click on subscribe. Okay, you'll be given like 5, 3, or whatever hours to do that subscription. So you need to come and click subscribe before the token will be distributed to you. If you don't click on subscribe, you will not be able to get the token. All right. So if that is clear, we can proceed. Okay. If not, any question, you can go ahead and ask. Is there any question, guys? Are you even seeing my screen? Are you guys seeing my screen on the browser? Is anyone seeing my screen on the browser? Or have I been talking to myself?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Any question on this? Any question on this? All right. So that is basically it about the Launchpad stuff. Okay. So go ahead and participate on the Launchpad for it if you want to. Okay. Participate on the Launchpad, and yeah, it's basically free money, guys. I cannot overemphasize that. It's basically free money. Okay. Yeah, market seems to be bearish today, guys. Things are not going well. So what else? What else are we looking at? What else are we looking at, guys? Hmm. Okay, let's look at bulk. Let's look at bulk. Let me share my. I'm looking for areas where I will buy bulk. Actually, I want to buy the token. I hope it will not do what Pepe did to me. I hope bulk will not do what Pepe did to me. I bought Pepe and then he decided to dump. Okay, so I think bulk is taking the place of, I don't know, Pepe right now. On Bybit, is it 1,000 or 10,000 bulk? Which one is it? Okay, 1,000 bulk. Yeah, I'm looking for areas where I will buy bulk cheaper. I want to buy bulk cheaper. I want to buy bulk cheaper. Look at this period of accumulation, right? Everybody was just accumulating this token around this area. And then eventually he decided to boom up there. All right. So if we do get down to this golden pocket level, maybe 23 cents, okay? 23 cents is where I'm looking at buying. I don't know. If we get down to 23 cents, that's where I'm looking at buying this token, right? I want to buy on the spot market and hold. I'll buy on the spot market and hold. That's basically what I'm, guys. BTC no grill. BTC is coming down 37,600. Yeah, everything seems to be dropping. Oh, this one too. Okay, so where is Solana? So Bonk, I'm looking at buying lower there. We do drop down to that area. So that's the two. This thing did not work. Solana that was in profit, just decided to start coming back. Okay. Questions. Okay, ask questions, make your contributions. Let's push it further, guys. Give me a moment. Just forgot this thing. Okay. I don't need this thing to go down. If it goes down, maybe if I get that 60.1 again, I'll close and then look for a new entry to enter this trade. But TRB is the one that is giving me a headache right now.
Hello, boss.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have your WhatsApp number. I want to chat you. I chatted you a few months ago, but I can't remember what I saved your number with. Can I have your number again so that I wanted to talk to you separately?
Okay, how much is involved?
I said I want to talk to you separately.
How much is involved? If it is up to $10,000, no one, I can send you the number right. I'm not that expensive right now, right? I'm not too expensive, so $10,000 only. And
Boss, please, I want to talk to you separately. I want to talk to you privately. Privately, pardon.
okay, well, no one. Okay, have you seen it?
Let me check.
My TRB is something else. The only thing I can do is just to back to my position right now.
No, I didn't see it. It's not here.
Check the Zoom message I've sent to them.
I'm on the Zoom. Yeah, I'm on the Zoom, but I can't see the number.
I sent the message on Zoom. Are you not seeing the chat on the Zoom stuff? Is this not Solomon? Should be K Solomon, right?
Yeah.
Wow. We don't see it. I wonder. Yeah, don't worry. I'll repost it on WhatsApp so you can check it out on WhatsApp. On Telegram, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, seriously, say village people who have for TRB. I swear, village people follow poor. Well, yeah, I will just hold. Okay, I have another limit order to add to my position at around that. Is it 77? Let me check. Yeah, around that 77. Yes, I'm going to add to the position. If not, I'm still holding. Let's equally see what Solana will do. Solana is, yeah, I need Solana to come to that $61. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Just be patient, okay? Patient is the key in this business, right? Patient is the key in this business. Be patient. We go hit our TP, okay? It go hit our TP. So just be patient, patient, and we'll be able to hit that TP, guys. WhatsApp number, that's it on the chat for the Zoom, okay? So in case I forget, I don't put it back to the Telegram. That's the chat. That's the WhatsApp number. So you can use that. Okay, yeah, Solana go, Solana go, Solana go. I need Solana. Can I get 60.7 or even $61 level? 60.7 or $61 level. So I don't know. Let's see how that goes. TRB. Still holding. AVAX. Let's see how it goes. Someone, please let me know if you can see the chat now, okay?
Okay. Still, yeah, I've not seen it yet.
Are you sure you're on Zoom?
Yeah, that's where I enter. I enter from Zoom.
Send a message on Zoom. Let me see. Is anybody else seeing my chat on Zoom? Please send a message on Zoom. You know where to send a message on Zoom. Send a message on Zoom. Let me see.
Yeah, I just wrote hello now.
On Zoom.
Sorry, I was using I'm going through Telegram. Oh. Oh.
Okay, yeah, Solana is pushing in. Those of you who entered 59.8, okay, 59.8, you should be in profit already. 61 is my target actually for Solana. 61, patience, okay, patience is the key in this business, guys. Patience is the key, okay? Patient is the key. Patient. This thing will play out. Okay, no need to rush it. It will play out. TRB2, I still believe it will come back up, right? TRB2 should come back up. Yeah, TRB2 should come back up. But I'll buy more if TRB come back down to that $76 level. If TRB comes back to $76 level, I should buy more. All right. Yeah, I can help and teach you. All you just need to do is sign up with my Bible link. That's all. Okay. And you get the training for free. Okay. Sign up with my Bible link. Make a deposit of $100. All right. At least $100. It could be more, right? But minimum of $100. And send me your UID, your Bybit UID on Telegram, on the WhatsApp. Sorry. Send me your Bybit UID on WhatsApp, and yeah, we can, I have a step-by-step guide. You can join my weekly calls for the private group and learn more. Okay, that's basically it. So all it will cost you is just your trading account with Bybit, that's all. And allow Bybit to do the payment for you. Okay, so Chief,
Sir,
you get what I'm saying, right?
yeah, listen, last time we have spoken about this, and the thing is still giving me headache. Now I can't really. The thing just make me feel so sad and angry.
What is giving you headache?
Last time I told you that I opened the account with my name or something like that, but the address where I'm living is my Wi-Fi address. So after doing everything, they thought I should put my address. So it was my wife names on the our bill, so they couldn't accept it. Till now, don't know where to start and where to.
You don't need address to create a Bybit account.
Yeah, I've created account already. I told you last time that I've created account before I met you. Then you said I should change it. There's something you said me, so I should change it.
Yes, create a new one and do a KYC transfer.
Yeah, that's what. Hey, yes, KYC transfer. So after doing it, they are directing me to put my address. So the address is what is. Even I will just open the app and show you where I am. Till now, I have not made use of it because I don't know where to start or on it. That's the problem I'm having. I don't know. Another suggestion I'm thinking, should I maybe delete that one and ask my wife maybe to open with her name and everything? I don't know whether that one will be also okay.
Yes. Can you share your screen and let me see where you are?
You said?
If you can share your screen on the Zoom, let me see if I'll be able to help.
Okay. How can I share my screen? Where will I go? That place is the right
On the Zoom.
Okay.
First, are you logged in on your Bybit already?
Not yet.
Please do that. Log in first. When you log in, then you come back to the Zoom. We'll show you how to share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so Chief Mabungala, is it Mabungala? I don't know if you can hear me. I was actually talking to you. I don't know if you can hear me. That is just what it will cost. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
I can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. So just save the WhatsApp number, and after that, just let me know WhatsApp that we can know how to take it further from there.
Okay, so can you send the link so that I can proceed immediately? I can create the account, then I do the deposit, then I let you know to do the teaching.
Okay. Yeah, I'll forward the link to you now. Okay, the Bybit sign up link is on the chat on the Zoom. So Okay, so what are we looking at? I'm still looking at, yeah, TRB not good. Okay, Solana, yeah, Solana is back up. Solana is back up. Solana is back up. It's TRB I'm waiting for right now. TRB is something else. You know, this move at that 79.9 gave me hope that this thing was going to move.
Okay, so I've entered, I have logged in.
Okay, if you're on the Zoom, okay, at the middle of your Zoom screen, you will see one arrow, okay, like a green envelope with an arrow pointing up. If you click on that arrow, it should be able to allow you to share your screen.
So on the Zoom, come again, sir.
Yes, on the Zoom, can you see my screen? Can you see
Yeah.
my screen on the Zoom?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Can you see there's like an envelope with an arrow pointing up, either on top or below your phone or whatever. Can you see it?
Not yet.
On the Zoom, right?
Yeah.
But you are seeing my screen on the Zoom, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen, yeah.
So you will see,
Is it
can you
right-
see
oh,
where you can,
That's about the right share. I don't know. Share, is it
there's
share?
a share, yeah, use that option that says share.
Okay.
And then when you click on it, scroll down your screen and select the one that says screen or so. So you should be able to share there and all of that.
What they said there, Microsoft Drive, Microsoft SharePoint.
No, scroll down until you see screen. Click on the one that says screen.
Okay. Have you seen it? No.
You see the screen option?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what else to do because when you have the option for Microsoft Drive and all of that, you did not see screen.
I saw stream. That's why I say not displaying over the app now.
Yes, now just click on it and just
Yeah,
click
it's
here.
still there. Okay.
You still cannot share.
When I did, see what he told me to, I touched the screen, see, he said, okay, now, I said, okay. He brought out all the app on my phone. I touched Bybit. He said, allow display over other app. Yes, I touched it. That is where it stopped.
Please, can you go back and start the process again and let me know the options they are giving you?
Okay, I went for share. Now you say this will stop other screen sharing. Do you want to continue? I said, okay.
Yes.
Now, all those boxes, photo, document, UBR, bookmark, screen, camera, share
Click on the
whiteboard.
screen. Click on the screen.
Yeah, I click the screen, say start recording or casting with Zoom. Zoom will have access to all of the information that is visible on your screen.
Yes, click on either okay or allow, whatever is given.
Start now. He said, okay, this thing will stop other this, and I said, okay. Now he brought me again via my app, all the apps on my phone.
You know, if you click OK, your screen should come up before even all your apps even show. Your screen is not showing yet. Your screen is not showing yet, so you need to click either the allow or start recording now. Then before you even open the bybit app. So right now, as I speak with you, your screen is not showing yet. I'm still the one sharing. So until your screen shows, even if you open the app, it will not still show yet.
Oh, that's a problem. I don't know what.
Yeah, so TRB is waking up. Let's see how that goes. Okay, let me move this one. Look at SEI USDT. Guys, I think we should go long on SEI. Okay, so I'll do long on SEI. I'll do. Yeah, I'll target this level of 25. Okay, 25 cent or thereabouts. So let me see if I can quickly do that now. Okay, so I'm targeting this level for SCI of 25 cent at 0.255 or 256 and all of that. Yeah, Solana is going TRB. Once we push above this area, definitely will continue. So let's see how those goes. Yeah, this is equally going to, let's see, yeah, go. 25 cent is what I'm targeting, okay? 25 cents is what I'm targeting. Let's see how that will go to. All right. So, Mr. Solomon, open your Bybit app. Is it a new app you created or the old one? Which account are you logged into now?
No, I've opened, I've downloaded this for long now. I've opened it for long, but I'm not using it.
And you have done KYC on it already.
Yeah. Last time, I was speaking with you, you're telling me to do it. So after doing it,
Did you create a new account? Have you created a new account using my link?
Now, you told me how to change to transfer that to KYC or something like that. So
Have
which
you
I
created
did.
a new account yet?
No.
You will need to create a new account before you change the KYC now. You will need to create a new account using my link before you go and change KYC. You cannot start changing KYC when you have not created. Which account are you changing the KYC to?
It's like I did because that time.
So now, if you try to do the KYC, change the KYC, and they say which account are you transferring it to? What is the login details of the new account you want to transfer it to?
I had those things. They told me that it's like I can remember that I did all of them, but the problem I'm having is the address they told me, which I later said on WhatsApp.
That is what I'm saying. Now you don't need address in this thing. There's something you are doing wrong. You don't need address. You don't even need, the only thing you did, since you say it's the wife detail you used to verify, is just to take a picture of your wife. That's all. You don't need address to do that KYC transfer. So if they're asking you for address, it means that there's something you are doing wrong. If SEI play out, this should be able to give me 50%. All right. And then Solana 2, 59.8. This should be able to give me 20% if you place that. TRB, what target am I looking at? I was actually looking at $100, but if I get 70, if I get $78, I will close. Okay, if I get $78, I will close for TRB. My entry is around 78. I was entering in TRB. Anyway, for TRB, if I get 5% move for thereabout, okay, I will equally close that. Yeah, Solana is going well. Solana is currently in profit. Let's see if we can still shoot up to that area there. Let's see if we can still shoot up to that area. Let's see. SEI 2, let's see what our push up. Yeah, TRB, push it, push it, push it. We need to get back up to 79. We need to get back up to $79 for TRB. Let's see. I don't know what is wrong with these things. Patient, okay? Guys, be patient. This thing will play out, all right? Be patient, it will play out. Just the market has not been very stable today, seriously. Yeah, back up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, BTC is equally pushing it too. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so while we wait for all these things to play out, okay, guys, there are basic things you need to know, right? You need to know how to use the internet, okay? You need to know how to use the internet. It's because some of us don't understand all of these things. That's why, you know, you are giving a different direction, directives on what to do. You are doing a different thing and all of that, okay? And when you create account in this space, you don't just create account and forget. Most especially if you are using any decentralized wallet where they will give you phrase keys and all of that. You don't do those things and forget. If you forget your money for life. All right. If you forget your money for life. If you need to have a jotter somewhere to record all these things down, okay. This I sign up for this place, these are my login details. Register them down and keep it somewhere safe. Register them down and keep it somewhere safe. It will help you a lot. All right, it will help you a lot. So I'm just saying if these things can play out, and then these are the current trades that I have. If Solana will play out and all of that, then we can call it a day, guys. Let's see. So I was thinking I'll be able to help one or two persons here, but seems that Solana go, Solana go, Solana go, Solana go. TRB is trying to escape, but the village, yeah, TRB is trying to escape, but village people won't let it, right? The village people should allow TRB to escape. Oh. Village people allow this thing to escape. Village people allow this thing to escape. Allow it to escape. Yeah, definitely village people need to allow this thing to escape. Okay? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lana pushing it hard. Okay, TRB too trying. Okay, I believe this time around village people will allow it to go. Well, SCI did not go well. Yeah, Solana go, Solana go, Solana go, Solana go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, sorry, my mic was muted. Essential is actually the entry price for SCI. I did market order, okay? I didn't have any, let me check. My entry was around, yeah, 241, okay? My entry for SCI is around 241. Yeah, somewhere around there. 241. I did market order actually. I have to determine where and when to place your TP4. What is the TP4? So TP4 for TRB is around, yeah, what is the price of the TP4? That's what I'm actually asking. I think TP4 should be, I'm looking at this area here, okay? My last TP should be around this area, okay? This is what I'm looking at for TRB. So anything around, I think it should be around $84 or thereabout. Please, what is the price I put on the TP4 there? Can't really see actually. Yeah, but I'm looking at anything within this area, okay? Maybe around $84, $85 level and all of that. So when you're asking, how do you determine? I don't understand. How do I determine? Is it how I determine the TP4 level or what exactly are you talking about? Hmm? I don't, Chocolate, you need to unmute yourself and ask. I don't know what you're actually looking at, okay? What the question is actually, I'm trying to understand, right? Okay. All right. So if you are looking at it based on risk to reward ratio and all of that, okay? I'm looking at anything between a 1 to either 8 or 1 to 7 risk reward ratio. Okay. Sorry, not a 1 to 7. I think it's actually a 1 to either a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. I think stop loss is around $75, right? Yeah. I'm looking at that a 1 to 4. Yeah, a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. That's basically what I'm looking at for TRB. Either a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. That's what I'm looking at, okay? Then in between, let's say this is my setup for long, okay? In between, I will now have TPs, all right? You can say my first TP level will be 79. My second TP level will be either $80 or 81. My third TP level will be around there, and I just split it that way, okay? I just split it that way. I can just do like every 2% move or thereabout, okay? So if I measure this from there, yeah, it should give me a total of around, 10 or 9%, okay? So I now divide it every 2% move. and I close my profit into 4 or 5 times and all of that. It all depends on what I'm looking at. So you wanted to say something, throw more light on the question you asked. I don't know if I've answered it.
Yeah, that's the question I wanted to ask. I was thinking like, how do you determine the ratio aspect? Well, I think you just explained the ratio aspect, so I'm okay with that for now.
Yeah, if you study the chart I sent, there's this picture I sent that says, is it win rate? How to know your win rate or whatever, right?
Yeah, I saw
So
that.
always learn how to use this long and short position. This one will help you calculate those things. You don't need to start cracking your brain to say, okay, I'm looking for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, a 2 to 3, whatever. So just use this. Okay. Now, when you do this, when you look at the chart or the token you want to trade, what are the possibilities that this will actually go there, up there? Okay, that's another thing you should be looking at. Okay, TRB may not play out today. Okay, it may not play out today, but I know definitely that TRB will bounce up back again to either $80, $90, and all of that. All right, I know it will bounce up. But even if it doesn't play out today, I know TRB will definitely go up there. So those are the stuff you want to be looking at. Now, those possibilities will make you say, oh, if this thing actually go up there, I want to take profit. All right. So if I plot this here, just like you see the risk reward ratio of 1 to, if I look at, I think my TP should be around $85 or thereabout. Okay. So this is a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4. Okay. Now, what does that chart say? A risk reward ratio of 1 to 4 means that I can actually trade, okay, with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4. It means that I can actually, you know, trade and be profitable, okay? With a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4, I will always break it, okay? I will always break it. With a 20% win rate, I will break it. With a 30% win rate, I'm already in profit, okay? If my win rate is 40%, I'm already in profit. If my win rate is 60%, I'm already in profit. That is if always I'm using a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4. All right. So yeah, even if I have a win rate of 20%, I will break even with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4. But with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 5, you'll always be in profit. All right. With a 20% win rate, you always be in profit. With a 30% win rate, you always be in profit. So the risk reward ratio is what determines, how profitable you are and all of that. And this tool helps you do that automatically. So always use the tools available for you on TradingView. They are free. And they don't cry when you start, painting them on your chart. So use them. Exactly, because some of us are just, we are just there on the group. When you send signal, they say, it's too much. When they signal hit stop loss, they say, it hit stop loss. When it doesn't hit profit, they say, this is a bad signal. Okay, we are always very good at it. Did anybody told you, even if you pay for signals, okay, check out all the signals platform that I've reviewed. Go and buy them. I've done it now. I've done reviews on all of these signals. Okay, go and buy them and see if they're actually better than what I'm sending to you. Buy the signal. What I'm saying is there is no matter how good the signal is, if you don't understand what you are doing, you don't have your own risk management strategies, you will always be losing. That is just the truth. You will always be losing. You will always be losing.
I did observe there's this paid signal group that I was following previously before I decided to just search on YouTube and see if I can find any alternative more than that one. Like those guys there, I think they do pump and dump, I think. Like they'll pick a certain token, then pump this certain price for the token, then they will abandon it without informing the other members in the group. So I don't know if someone has encountered such token, maybe in Binance or any other platform. But I've seen like 2 or 4. Let's say I've seen like 4 in which I fell victim to like three out of the four situation. That was when I said, okay, these guys are like, because the tokens, most of them normally are the ones that, let's say, doesn't have enough market cap or liquidity or whatever. It's just a random token that was just added, or just, let's say, like the one they added, was it yesterday, the USCDC, or I don't even know the actual spelling for the
Yes, USTC.
alphabet.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay, they will just decide to give signal regarding to that one. So the whales will pump on the token. When the token is going up, they will take their profit, then they will slip away from the token without informing others. So when you posted that picture on WhatsApp, I saw your explanation, and yeah, it was very accurate, like very, very accurate, because they won't tell you when to take profit or when to stop. So they will just place based on their own assumption. So I don't know who was the person that was telling you the stop loss is very high now, that made you decided to see someday he will wish that yeah, he would like to see, or was it he will pray to see you and he won't be able to see you. So that was one of the reason I asked about the take profit ratio aspect.
Yeah, normally it's the risk reward ratio to be used. At times, your trade would be like, for instance, the one I was looking at, where is that AVAX trade? This thing is not going in my favor actually. Yeah, it's not going. I thought I'm closing the SCI trade, so it's not going as expected. AVAX, okay, some of these things, the risk reward ratio would be like 1 to 10, 1 to 20, stuff like that and all of that. So for instance, like this one now, okay, what I'm looking at is a risk reward ratio of 1 to 12. Okay, so it means that whatever amount of money that I'm ready to risk, if this goes in my favor, I am making a risk reward ratio of 1 to 3.7. Sorry, not it's 12% in profit, but the risk reward ratio 1 to 3, 0.7. So it means that I'll be making 3.7, okay, of whatever that I'm ready to risk if this thing finally plays out and all of that.
Okay, thank you.
So always learn to use this tool. Now, it is now left for you to say, okay, I'll always be looking for high probability trade that will give me at least a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. A 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Now, like this platform you mentioned, they will not tell you if they make it a public announcement. Their aim in pumping, okay, most especially when it has to do with whales. Whales are looking for low carb tokens that don't have a lot of volume. That is the one that they will pump. Now, when they pump it, immediately you see it on all the exchanges, top gainers, everybody will start buying. As everybody is buying, those of them who started the pump will now start taking profit. If they tell you that we are going to dump this token, everybody will now sell, and then they will be the one to lose. Okay, so they are in the business of making money, making profit. So they will not say it. If they say it, they will be the one to be losing, right? And then for signal providers too, they will not definitely send you that, okay, what we are looking at right now, except for a few that will tell you the risk reward ratio of their signals and all of that, okay? They won't tell you that. They won't tell you the reason why, their stop loss is that low. I can decide to enter AVAX, okay, and put my stop loss down here, all right? I can put my stop loss down here. Now, you will not understand what I'm doing here. It's not as if my stop loss is down here. It's because I am going to, have multiple orders set up here. I can decide to buy AVAX. Let's say my entry is here. If AVAX come down to $19, I want to buy. If it comes down to maybe $18, I want to buy more. If it comes down to maybe $17 or thereabout, I want to buy more. Okay. At the end of the day, you see that I've bought AVAX up to 5, 6 times. Now, my average entry will no longer be here. Maybe my average entry will be somewhere around here. So at the end of the day, you see that maybe my entry is around $18 or $19. And then whenever I start reversing back, I'll be in profit. Why you that entered here, okay? Why you that entered here will still be in losses, all right? You end up closing this trade in losses, and I will still end up closing that trade in profit. Okay, so that's just a personal, strategy that you don't tell. If I tell you now to start doing that, and eventually you carry all your money and put, and then it continues to go. For those of you who don't like putting stop loss, and it gets liquidated, you lose the whole of your money. All right. So there are tokens we just keep. So when the stop loss is that big, you will now fall back to what is your own risk management strategy. What are you ready to risk in that particular trade? Look at it. What is the risk reward ratio? What are the chances that you get at least a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio in this particular trade? Okay. It will not take you time. It's just to take a glance and all of that. Just plot these things as, okay, I will take this signal. Okay, this one is not good. I will not take it. Okay, this one is good. It goes well. I will take it and all of that. Signals are meant to make things easier for you. They are not like your escape whatever. Okay. So don't solely depend on signal. Just it make things easier for instead of you cracking your. Do you know how much time it takes? At times you look at chart, you even get confused where to enter. Do you know how much time it takes to look at chart, analyze chart, and then come up with a signal that you say, okay, this is what I'm looking at, this is what I'm looking at. And then some persons will just think it's just because you type it and then put it on the Telegram, that is just it. Okay.
Yeah,
if I end this Zoom meeting now, I'll keep looking at different chart, keep looking at different chart, keep looking at different chart and all of that. So it takes a lot of time. So now it makes the work easier for you. Instead of reanalyzing everything, you now look at it as, okay, they say the entry is here. First take profit is here. From here to here, how many percentage will I make? Would that be enough for me? Once you hit my take profit 1, I don't want the take profit 6 or take profit 10. I'm okay. You just go. TRB did hit take profit 1. But what happened? It came back down. Okay, now we are struggling to go back up again and all of that. So you do these things yourself. Okay, have it, guys. That is it. That is it. Solana, that is it. Go, Sola, go, Sola, go, Sola, 61. Yeah, that is it. Full TP. Who is still holding on to Solana? Full TP.
Yeah,
Hey, full TP, 61. Yeah. So you see what patience can cause. Okay, Solana, yeah, Solana just killed it. And now it's TRB that is remaining. TRB is currently at 78. So let's push it. Those of you who entered at 77, yeah, you should be in profit already. If you entered at 77, you should be in profit already. But if I get to 79, I'm closing. Okay, 79 or 79.5, I'm closing this trade. 79 or 79.5, I'm closing this trade to, look for more entries for TRB. TRB, I wish we can get that to 75.
I entered at 77. So
For TRB, right?
yes.
Yeah, so you should be in profit already.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm in profit.
My average price around 80, 78 point something. So once we get to 79, I'll close. Okay. So Solana, thank you so much. If you are still holding on to Solana, just move stop loss to maybe around 60.2 or 60.3. Okay. If you are still holding on to Solana, move stop loss to 60.3 or 60.2. All right. This one is the one still holding us. The SEI of a thing. Let me see if I have to close here. Let me see. Yeah, this thing I will no longer hold it. Okay, it didn't go the way I expected it. So SEI is out of the market for me right now. I'll wait for that down area there to buy and all of that. All right. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. I think I'll call it a day here. Right? Any question, any contributions? Go ahead and do that. Let's take it further, guys. If there is no question, I'll call it a day here. We'll continue tomorrow.
Boss, how are we going to do this?
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Really
Hello, boss. How are we going to do my bybit? It's very important to me. I want us to sort this thing out. This thing is, since I kept quiet, I was trying to figure out how to share my screen. It's not coming up. How can you help me about this?
Okay, so you'll need to create a new account again. Create a new bybit account. You can do that now. Let me just walk you through it before I call it a day. Let me send the link for the bybit again. Create a new bybit account with this link.
So what? How will the old one should I cancel? How do I cancel the old one? So
leave the old one. Leave the old one. Don't cancel. You are not canceling it. Just leave the old one first.
Okay.
Now the email that you use in that old one is not the email you are going to use. So you are using a different email on this. Just create an account. Once you click on this link, it takes you to a page. Just put your email and password and click on create an account or sign up. Once you click on sign up or click on claim my welcome bonus or get my welcome bonus, it will sign you up. Once you finish doing that, you can do that now. Then you let me know. Go to the old Bybit account and then I will show you how to do this thing in less than a minute. It should be done anyway. Not something like that.
I'm going to do it right away.
Okay.
I want that to shut up. I'm in the meeting now, okay?
Yeah, man.
I'm meeting. It's okay. I don't want to paste on.
So TRB is going up at the moment. Let me see if I can hold to 78,500. Uh, 78,191. That's
TRB only needs to pay the bill. TRB needs to pay the bill. Can we get that 79.5? 79.5 is what I'm looking at. Can we get 79.5? That's what I'm looking at, 79.5, so that we'll call it a day here. Zoom that has not ended. People are asking for recorded class. Come on for now. Is it to join the Zoom that is spinning your, what exactly is it? Okay. So Solana, let's see if Solana can get to $62. Can we get to $62? Maybe we can be looking for a quick shot there and all of that. Okay. Yeah, BTC is playing out for, I don't know, Naomi is no longer here. BTC is playing out. So you should be able to get, some percentage of BTC. We do get to 38,000, right? TRB is my problem right now. TRB should hit 79. I'm out of that trade. $79, I'm out of that trade. I'll buy TRB on spot. Okay, I'll buy on spot. If we get $75 or more, So if you have questions, ask your questions, okay, while we wait for Mr. Suman, right?
TRB is declining again. What the fuck?
Look at how massive that bearish candle is. This thing itself. That's a problem. One candle up, one candle down. One candle, look at that. The candle is even going to engulf every other thing. Look at this, guys. These bears don't want this thing to go up. Always overpowering the goods. Don't worry. Just be patient with it. Play, okay? We play definitely. Yeah. TRB no sending. Okay, if you have questions, contributions, everything, okay, go ahead. While we wait for Mr. Solomon to come, he's the one I'm waiting for. Once I'm able to put him through, I'm out of this meeting. Okay, so let me put a new pending entry here. If TRB does goes down to that level, I will enter again. I'm going to buy down there to the upside. That should be around 75.6 or 75.7. And we're looking to buy TRB there. Let's see how it goes. Have you anyone holding this candle should allow it to? See, on a long run, right? On a long run, TRB will play out. All right. So those of you who entered at 77 or thereabout, okay, you can close your trade and wait to re-enter the trade if you get back to the support level again. Okay. You will get down to the support level again and all of that. Enter the trade again. That's basically what I'm looking at. Even my spot buy, I'm looking at this area here, right? For TRB. Remember, TRB is part of those tokens that I want to sell at $140, $150, okay? So if we do come reject at that area again, enter a long trade. On the long run, TRB will play out. Just be patient with it, okay? In as much as you are not using very high leverage, you are not using, you've not entered where liquidation will be knocking at your door and all of that. Just allow it play out, okay? Just allow it to play out.
Hello, boss. I finish.
Okay. Now go to the Bybit app. You should still be logged into your old account. Go to the Bybit app.
Okay. Okay, I'm there.
Now you are on the home page, right?
Yeah.
Now at the top left, you will see like a head icon, a human icon or something. That is your profile icon.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Done.
Now when you click on it, you will see where it says verified ID.
Yeah.
Click on that verified ID.
Okay. Done.
You will see identity transfer.
Okay. Done.
Now, when you click on it, it will pop up telling you, is it facial verification or what's it saying there?
Yeah, facial verification.
Now, that facial verification, you said it was your wife details you used to verify the account, right?
No, my own is my face I used for the old one.
So snap yourself. Now, when you snap yourself, the next stage to ask you for the email of the new account and all of that. So snap yourself and then make sure just follow the on-screen instruction. Once you do that, the next thing is your email, then authenticator to your email and all of that. Just follow the on-screen instruction and confirm that. Do that now. It should be done in less than a minute. So when they ask you for the
what I'm asking, so that for the address, that would be, it won't be a problem, right?
yeah, just do this one. They are not going to ask you for address.
Okay.
It won't be a crime if I short Solana, actually. Will it? Who's with me on this? Chocolate, are you here? Will it be a crime if I decide to short Solana? I think shorting Solana.
Solana is a win. Solana is a win for you. You can short at any time. So buying share is the TRB because I didn't long the Solana first.
Okay.
Following the TRB. Well, Solana did well. Very, very well. More than what we were expecting.
Mm.
I wish I'll be able to get Solana at maybe that's 61.3 or 4 for a short. Let's see how it goes anyway.
Hello, boss.
Yes, did it work?
Yes, tell him say identity verification transfer.
You see? So I don't know what you were doing that you were saying and all of that. Now, that's basically it. So all you just need to do now is to log out of this account. Do you have funds on the Bybit account that you just transfer identity from now?
You said?
Are there funds on this account right now?
No, I haven't made use of it since I created it.
So now log out of it and then log into that new account you created.
Okay.
I'm going to set a limit order to short Solana here, guys. Okay, so if I get Solana back up there again, I want to short. Have you been able to log in, sir?
Yes, I'm logging out from the other one.
All right, so limit order for Solana there. Get there. Want to short.
Yeah, boss, I've done it. I've logged in.
Okay. So you know where to copy ID. Just copy the ID and send to me on WhatsApp.
The
Next thing,
the UID.
yes, the UID. So the next thing now is to make deposit. Okay, you need to make deposit of at least $100 into your private account. Then send me the UID and we proceed from there. You have the WhatsApp number, so just send me a message on WhatsApp. Then the conversation will continue from there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so I'm setting a limit order that I don't know if we shoot up there, I want to short. And then TRB didn't go as expected. So we have this candle here. This candle that will close in the next 35 minutes has already engulfed this one here. So TRB is not going down, it's not going up as expected, okay? TRB won't go up as expected. So we'll buy more here, right? We'll buy more when we get down. That's basically it. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience. Thank you for your time. Basically, we'll continue again tomorrow. Okay. The challenge, and once again, the reason why I send a lot of signals is if you apply your own good risk management strategies, right, you should be able to be profitable even if you decide to take all the signals. Somebody say, you will need a lot of money to take all this signal. No, you don't need a lot of money, even with $10. All right. All you just need to do is to dedicate $1 because we are doing leverage, okay? $1 per trade or 50 cents per trade, and you will still make it, okay? If one makes per trade makes you profit, the other one will not make. Some of those trades, some hit take profit 2, some hit take profit 1, some hit take profit 3, and all of that. So yeah, play along with those, and I bet you'll never regret it. Okay, so we'll call it a day here, guys, and we'll continue tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Boss, wait, I have not seen the number, the phone number yet. The WhatsApp. I can't remember what I used to save your number last time.
I posted the number link for WhatsApp for you to just WhatsApp me directly on the chat here now. Since then, you've not copied the number.
I'm doing that's the other one. That's what I'm doing, so I couldn't take it. Okay, let me go through there and do it.
Have you seen it?